Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we'll solve a mini challenge using the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions in Excel. These functions are perfect for finding specific data in large tables quickly and efficiently. Here's the dataset we'll be working with. We have a list of products in the product column, sales data for 4 regions in the next 4 columns. Our goal is to find the sales for specific product in the region here. Let's start. Lookup value is the product. Table array is our product table. F4 to lock the cells. 1, 2, 3, fourth column calls for exact match. Using HLOOKUP to find the data horizontally. Lookup value is our region. Table array is our full table. Row index number is range lookup is false. Comparing VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. While VLOOKUP works for vertical searches, HLOOKUP handles horizontal lookups. For more complex scenarios, you can combine them with other functions like match for advanced lookups. And that's it with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. You can easily find and analyze data in Excel. Thanks for watching. Try this challenge yourself and share your result in the comments. Subscribe for more Excel tips and challenges. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.